Okay, this is what happens if you put gas in your diesel. You gotta drop your tank.
Do not start it and do not collect $200.
Oh boy. This one getting off. Oh jeez. Walking back to the house. Okay, just loosening that up. Okay, hopefully that'll loosen that up a bit. Just trying to loosen it up. Hopefully that does it. Looks like that did it. Woo! Hot dog. Okay. Here we go. Shade Tree Mechanic here. Okay. You see it?
Barely.
It's right behind the shock here. Put your hand here because this thing might fall out. And then you're going to have the thing drop on you. Okay, we almost got it out. You can see it's right in there by the shock. Okay, just got the bracket out, but when you take this off, you have to get a chisel in there and take that bolt out with the chisel, and then you got to shimmy it out so that this bracket will come loose without the bolt being in the way, and then it'll slide right off. So that comes down. Got a couple buckets underneath it. Push that out of the way. Just bend it a little. Okay, that's good. Okay, we got these. We gotta move these. Whew, got all kinds of crap in here. Okay, we are dropping the front end down first. We gotta move this bucket out of the way. Okay, bucket's coming out. Woo. Shade Tree Mechanic's finest. Okay, we got her dropped down somewhat. That's everything right there. So we just gotta tip this on its side and drain the gas out. Okay, we're gonna take this off. Okay, got that off. Now, we just got to try to turn it on its side and drain this puppy. Gonna jack it up here. bought one of these little battery powered siphon pump, but it doesn't fit. Okay, we're just pumping it. Pumping her out. Pumpity pump, 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 pump. Okay, we're just tightening this back on. We took it off. Okay, we have a hose right here we just have to put on. So we'll connect that. Little vacuum hose. And then there is one right back there. We got to connect that one too. Okay, we're jacking it back up. Kinda. Okay, we got it jacked back up in place. We just have to put these brackets back up. Right there. Might have to put the jack underneath there. Okay. We were able just to use two hands to get it up. Okay, this one was a little bit of a pain. We had to jack it up and pull on this that way as much as we could to get the bolt in there. It's right up in there. There we go. Shade Tree Mechanic Special. Okay, didn't have that on. All right, that should be good now. Okay. Stop.